Hi all. So, I survived the night. The tent did, at least. I didn't. Went to bed about 10 o'clock and there was very little wind. I guess about 11 or 11:30 it started getting really windy. And it was just kind of a steady blow. And then every once in a while I'd get a good strong gust, snap on the sides of the tent, the walls, wake me right up. And it did that about, I don't know, 5 or 6 times. Finally, I just got up. No use me even trying to sleep. I've been up since about, I don't know, 1:30, 2 o'clock, I guess. Excuse me. So, but it's been nice and sunny and fairly warm during the day, right around 65 or so. Nights have been getting down around 40, 43 or so, which hasn't, that's not too bad, really. I got a good sleeping bag, a 0 to 20 degree sleeping bag, and then I got some good blankets, so I'm plenty warm. And then I got my heater over there. I don't sleep with it on. No use wasting the propane, But boy, I got to tell you, as soon as my feet hit the floor, that heater comes on. And I sit there and I'm all huddled over it, Doesn't take it too long, it warms up again, though. I thought I'd answer a couple of questions, some comments. Looks like Milo. I went through this once before. I can't remember if it was Milo or Milo. Well, for now we'll just say Milo. He said it was good to see you 2 times in a week. Yeah, I got bored, So I thought I'd just do 2 in a week. I know for a long time, though, it's just been really sporadic. I was pretty upset at YouTube for a while, but I kind of calmed down a bit. So learned my lesson. We're not going to do the backlink things anymore. They get pretty upset when you do that, I guess. So yeah, we won't do that anymore. Somebody watched an old video of Lily. I can't pronounce his name if I had to. Anyway, Lily was sitting on the counter and I was talking to her. She was talking back to me, and in the conversation I asked her if she wanted a treat. Oh man, meow, 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 meow. That's kind of enough of that. Joe Schaefer says he likes my tent. I do too. I like it, but once it's set up, though, Joe, it's okay. It's a tent. It's just getting it set up, breaking it down, loading it up in a trailer, and takes a while. I work a little bit, then sit down a little bit, You know how that goes. And Joe Schaefer also said, good to see you're okay. Take care. I will. I just, I'm just aware of things now that I was probably not too much aware of before. I'm not going to go into the backstory about it, but when I first got up here, got to Quartzsite, I guess, wasn't in very good shape. And then when I got up here, it kind of hit home. So I'm just relaxing. I talked to my doctor on Zoom. He said, when I get around to it, come in to see him. He said everything seems to be okay. He got records from the hospital. He said, just take it easy. So I'm taking it easy. Like I said before, doing the lazy man thing. Chris Diamond Travels. You ought to check his channel out. He's kind of fun. Some of you guys might remember him in the live chats. Boy, what a troublemaker. He's wanting to know if his chair was still around in the corner. Said he kind of missed it. I thought that was pretty funny. Check his channel out. It's Chris Diamond Travels. He's working on a schoolie right now, and I think he's getting ready to come this way. He lives in Florida, so I think he's kind of getting ready to start coming west. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. Hit the like button and comment. You know the drill. Subscribe, like, and comment. Tomorrow it's gonna be a fairly calm day, so I'm gonna try to get outside. No use even going out right now. You wouldn't be able to hear me from the wind noise, and then the generator's running and all that stuff. So tomorrow we'll go for a little walk, kind of check out the area and see what's going on. So I guess that's it. I'll talk to you again soon.